Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video, as you saw in the title and thumbnail, we're going to be opening up and racing a couple Hot Wheel 5-packs. And before we get into that, I do want to mention I do have a merch store, and on my merch store, I am currently giving away this Lego Fast and the Furious Nissan Skyline GTR R34, and it even comes with a little Paul Walker minifigure. This thing is, I'm giving it away to one of you guys. All you have to do is hop on to my merch store. Whenever you make a purchase, for every $5 you spend, you automatically get entered into the giveaway. The giveaway is going to the end of the month, so definitely hop on there, check it out. There's going to be a link in the description down below. And I have a bunch of Hot Wheels available. I do case unboxings all the time. I get really modern cars as well, like the fresh cases every time they come out. So a lot of those cars are on there, as well as a lot of other like monster trucks, Hot Wheel Premium, even some Hot Wheel RLC cars. So definitely check it out, link in the description down below. And if you're not into Hot Wheels, I do have a bunch of other automotive products as well. So like I said, check it out. Get entered into this Fast and the Furious Lego giveaway. But let's go ahead and get into it. So while we're on the topic of Fast and the Furious, we do have a Fast and the Furious 5-pack. This one, as you can kind of see, is pretty kind of beat up and it's kind of damaged, but I specifically wanted it for the Eclipse, or I guess for the Lancer Evolution, the Mitsubishi. So the cars in this one include the 61 Impala from Fate of the Furious, the Ford GT40 from Fast 5, the 72 Ford Gran Torino Sport from Fast and Furious, Lancer Evo from Too Fast, Too Furious, and the Nissan 350Z from Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. So let's go ahead and get into just kind of busting this thing open. I really wanted that Lancer Evo, and I finally found like a good deal on one. This was pretty beat up, so I did get a great deal on it. And alright, let's check out these. Let's check out these cars. So we got the Impala, which looks pretty cool. I really like that. It's super massive, so I'd have to see if it'll even fit on the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. But we are going to race all 5 of these cars. And we're going to take the winner, and we're going to do a race against all 5 of the cars from the other 5-pack. So yeah, that'll be pretty cool. But let's finish unboxing those. Next, we have the Ford GT40, which looks absolutely amazing. I love that blue with the white stripes. Super iconic. And then the Gran Torino Sport is a pretty cool car. Old school American muscle. And then kind of like the key cars here, the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, which I think that thing looks so cool from Too Fast, Too Furious. I really wish it did have the Eclipse as well, but maybe Hot Wheels will make one of those soon. But that thing looks absolutely crazy. And then we have the Nissan 350Z with that Spyder kind of design on the side there. I did notice that, I don't know if you can really see it, the design is only on the one side of the car. It's not on that side. So luckily when we race it on the 6-lane raceway, the side with the design is the side that will be facing forward. But I think this thing looks really cool. And I think I only have like one other 350Z, and that was from the recent Neon series. But the cars that these ones are going to be racing against are going to be this really rare Hot Wheel Ferrari 5-pack. And yes, Hot Wheels is not making Ferraris anymore. This 5-pack, they're kind of pricey online. I really wanted some of these cars that are in this. And I was like just looking at like prices for buying individuals. And honestly, it'll probably be cheaper for me to just bust this open and kind of take the hit on that. But starting off on the top, we have the Ferrari F40. And then it's kind of out of order on the back here. So then it looks like we have the F430 Scuderia, the 612 Scaglietti, the 458 Spyder, and then the Ferrari Enzo. All these are absolutely amazing, but kind of breaks my heart a little bit to open this up. But at the same time, I'm going to be providing you guys a lot of awesome content coming soon. And I do races on the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway like every single day in the form of YouTube shorts. So definitely hop on my channel, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on all of those videos, because they are pretty awesome. Like I said, every single day a new video goes live. But I did not have a Ferrari F40 in Hot Wheels. So boom, there's that, which looks super awesome. Very iconic Ferrari. And then we have the Ferrari F430 Scuderia, which looks so good. Absolutely love that blue, and then the stripes look really amazing as well. And I actually did not have a 430 as well, so it's kind of nice to be able to add a 430. And then I do not have a 612 either, so it's kind of cool being able to add a bunch of Ferraris to my collection and to the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway, and they're ones that I didn't already have, so now I can race those in the future. And then we have the, wow, that looks really good, the 458 Spyder. And I like those little stripes on the front. It looks super aggressive, but it's kind of like the more modern Ferrari before Hot Wheels stopped making them. And then the Ferrari Enzo in black with the red and white stripes. That looks absolutely amazing. Got the red wheels, or the red ring on the wheels there. Man, this is such an amazing car. I absolutely love all of these. So honestly, to me, it was completely worth it being able to open up all of these, as well as like the Fast and the Furious cars. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take all these over to the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. We're going to race all the Fast and the Furious cars. We're going to take the winner set aside. We're going to do the same thing for the Ferraris. And then we're going to do like a final head-to-head with the winning car from the Fast and Furious versus the winning Ferrari to see which one is fastest out of all of these. So let's go ahead, hop over to the 6-lane raceway and line them up and race them. All right, so we have the Fast and the Furious cars lined up, ready to race them, and I think they all look absolutely amazing. And I just really love the color kind of combo on this kind of 5-pack in the whole. But let's go ahead, race them, find out which one's the fastest in 3, 2, 1. Wow, so lane 5, which is the Nissan 350Z, that right there is the winner. Man, that thing looks absolutely amazing as well. So let me go ahead and set this aside and line up the Ferraris. All right, so now we got the Ferraris all lined up, and they are also looking absolutely amazing. Man, this is such a great 5-pack, and the cars in it, like, I really love all of these. So let's go ahead, race these, and find out which one's the fastest in 3, 2, 1. Wow, so lane 6, which is the Ferrari F430 convertible, is the winner of that race. I think that thing looks absolutely amazing. So next is going to go head-to-head against the Nissan 350Z. So let's go ahead, clear those off, and line these up. All right, so this is the final race to see which one is fastest out of the Fast and Furious or the Ferrari 5-pack. We got the 350Z, and then we have the 458 Spyder. So let's go ahead, race them in 3, 2, 1. Wow, the 350Z just pulled way ahead of that 458. But honestly, let me throw these back up at the top and kind of put them on the other side, see if that makes any difference. But let's go ahead and race this again in 3, 2, 1. Wow, yeah, that 350Z is really fast. That Ferrari could not keep up. But that right there is the winner of this whole video. Wow, what an absolutely amazing race. I honestly did not expect that, but that was pretty epic. So definitely put down in the comments down below which one you guys thought was going to be the winner and which one you're kind of like just like rooting for overall, but then also which one is just like your favorite. Because honestly, like the Ferraris are pretty awesome, but like for example, like I really love this Lancer Evolution, but yeah, some of these Ferraris look pretty cool as well. But also, don't forget to check out my merch store. There's going to be a link down in the description down below. And like I said, get entered into this giveaway I'm currently doing. But if you guys did like the video, definitely get down and hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.